Welcome to Accountancy Period Class 12, the lesson dissolution. Another numerical we are doing. Illustration number 10. The partners are A, B and C sharing in the ratio of 2:1. As usual, first we are going to transfer the balance sheet asset side to which account? Realization. So here the first item is debtors. To debtors 40,000 rupees. To stock 50,000 rupees. To furniture rupees 2,000. Then to computer it is 8,000 rupees. Then to fixed assets 41,000. To prepaid expenses 1,000 rupees, and then we have given profit and loss 40,000. This profit and loss is given in the balance sheet asset side. It is a debit balance. It means it is loss, and loss to be distributed among partners. Partner capital account debit side. A capital account debit, B capital account debit, C capital account debit. To profit and loss in the ratio of 2:1. So sir, it comes 16,000, 16,000 and 8,000. Because of loss, capital will reduce. Next item is C's capital. C's capital debit balance is given. So we will be showing it on debit side. To balance brought down, and the balance is 8,000 rupees. It is C's capital, so we will show in C capital only. In this way we have completed asset side. Now come to the liability. Bank overdraft. It is our liability. Bank overdraft rupees 4,000. Then we have given by creditor, by bills payable. Both are outside liability. It is 30,000 rupees and 6,000 rupees. Then we have given B's wife loan. B's wife is outside party, that's why we will be mentioning over here only 10,000 rupees. And then we have given capital of A and B. By balance brought down 70,000 and 70,000. That's. So this is first task, completion of balance sheet. Now adjustment. Assets realized as follows. Assets realized means amount we received after sale. So here we have given stock, fixed assets and full amount received from debtors. So money is coming by bank account. We have given fixed assets, we have given debtors and we have given stock. With stock 32,000 rupees, full amount from debtors 40,000 rupees, and from fixed assets we are getting 45. Money is coming. Next entry should be transferred to cash account debit side, but later, not now. We might be selling some other assets also. Next, A agreed to take over furniture at 1600. Furniture is taken by E. When we sell any assets in cash, we show it by cash or by bank. But now here assets is taken by A. So by A capital 1600 rupees because he is taking assets. And here entry is in credit side of realization. A is taking, so entry will be in A's capital account debit side to realization. In my previous video also I told you, whenever any partner is taking any assets, it will be debited in partner capital account. And A is also taking, he will make payment of BP. BP is rupees 6,000 and this payment will be done by A. So here we will write to A's capital 6,000 rupees. Here entry is on debit side. So in A capital entry will go on credit side. It is by realization. Why we credit it dear? Because firm liability is paid by A. It does not mean A will pay from his own pocket. Later on he will get this amount from A. So this amount we are crediting in A's capital account. Next point. B agreed to discharge his wife's loan. B's wife loan is 10,000 and B is saying that I will pay this loan. It means liability taken by B. So B capital account 10,000 rupees. Entries here on debit side, so in B capital credit side by realization accounts. Next entry, there was an unrecorded assets of 10,000 which was taken over by C at 7,000. कोई assets है जिसको पहले से बुक्स में रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर रखा, डजंट मैटर अगर पहले से रिकॉर्ड नहीं है, तो इट इज टेकन ओवर बाय सी. तो वी विल राइट ओवर हियर बाय सी कैपिटल. Assets is of 10,000 but C is taking at 7,000. So 7,000 rupees. C is taking this assets. So in C account debit side 7,000 to realization. Next entry. A BR bill receivable of 5,000 was received from a customer Mohan. मोहन ने एक बिल एक्सेप्ट कर रखा था 5,000 रुपए का BR. एंड द बिल वाज डिस्काउंटेड फ्रॉम बैंक. और हमने इस बिल का पैसा कहां से ले रखा था? बैंक से ले रखा था. तो इसका मतलब बिल किसके पास था? बैंक के पास. बिल के पैसे बैंक को किससे मिलने थे? मोहन से. मोहन बिकेम इंसॉल्वेंट. मोहन इंसॉल्वेंट हो गया और उसकी प्रॉपर्टी से हमें 60% पैसा मिला. अब बैंक तो पूरा पैसा लेगा, मोहन से इंसॉल्वेंट हो जाए क्योंकि बिल को डिस्काउंट हमने बैंक से करवाया था. तो हम बैंक को कितने रुपए देंगे? 5,000 रुपए देंगे क्योंकि हमने बिल बैंक से 5,000 रुपए में डिस्काउंट करवाया था. हमें मोहन से कितना पैसा मिल रहा है? 60% because he becomes insolvent. It means we are getting 3,000. 3,000 रुपए हमें मिल रहे हैं, 5,000 रुपए की हमें पेमेंट करनी है. तो इन एक्चुअल हाउ मच मनी इज गोइंग फ्रॉम आवर पॉकेट? 2,000 रुपए. 5,000 हम देंगे, 3,000 हमारे पास आएगा. तो एक्चुअल पेमेंट डन बाय अस 2,000. तो here we will be writing to bank account BR dishonored. BR dishonored 2,000 rupees. I think you understood. And the last point is creditors were paid at discount of 1,500. We were having creditor of 30,000. They were paid at 1,500 discount. Again under to bank 28,500 rupees. Now let us see all outside liability paid or not. BOD 4,000. We have not paid it yet. All outside liability we have to pay whether some says or whether some does not say. Creditor paid, BP paid, B's wife loan paid. Now how much total liability paid, my dear friends? 34,500. How much money is going? 34,500. So it will be by realization account. Money is going 4,500. Now how much assets we sold here? 1,17,000. This money is coming to realization. 1,17,000 rupees. Now you can close this account. I told earlier also. First, if credit side is more, in this sum no credit is here. Let us see this side is more. Here debit is more. The total of debit is 1,95,500. 1,95,500. The balancing figure is, dear friends, 16,900 rupees. So by loss transferred to A capital, B capital, C capital. Amount ratio is 2:1. So it is 6,760 and the another part is 3,380. This is loss. Where the loss to be transferred? Capital account debit side, because due to this their capital is reducing. 3,380. Right sir? Now C. If you see C is debit side is more. C की debit side ज़्यादा है. It become 26,380. 26,380. It means what? It means C will bring money. उसको हम पैसा देंगे नहीं, हम उससे पैसा लेंगे. Because his capital debit side is more. He is bringing money. Their entry is on credit side. So here entry will come on debit side. To C's capital 26,380. And for rest two partners, credit is more. 76,000. 80,000 rupees. 76,000, 80,000 rupees. Find the difference and here it will be to bank account. We are paying money to them and both amount will come here. Then ultimately bank account should be equal. So this was one more sum for the chapter dissolution of partnership firm. I think you understood. Thank you very much.